Hey Gen script, you might pray what if, cinematic vision, video format, voiceover plus on-screen scenes, phone, laptop, life moments, slow pacing, emotional pauses, minimal music, soft background, voiceover script open. What if you could clone your brain, your thoughts, your stories, your legacy, your voice, even your presence, digitally seen, subtle phone, glow, visual, phone lights up in a quiet room, voiceover. What if AI wasn't just technology, but your digital intelligence? Scene, movie like moment, no, visual, someone watching a video of a loved one speaking. I know, voiceover, we've seen this in movies, but what if it was real? Scene, granddaughter, visual, young woman opening a message, text on screen, message from granddad, video plays. Hi, I heard you're getting married. Voiceover, a grandfather sending a message to his granddaughter on her wedding day years after he's gone. Scene, older woman, visual, woman in her 70s sitting quietly holding phone. She taps a message. Video plays. Hey, I've been thinking about you. Voiceover, a daughter missing her father and hearing from him again, not from memory, but in his voice, the way he speaks, the way he thinks. Scene, business setting, visual, boardroom, laptop open, team watching, voice over. What if your business partners, your team, your future leaders could access how you think, how you make decisions, what you've learned, seen, dashboard, visual, digital brain interface? Sections, messages, decisions, beliefs, story, voice over an interactive version of you. Scene, multiple faces, visual, different people, parents, kids, founders, voiceover. What if you could capture your father, your mother, your husband, your wife, your children, your grandparents, before it's too late. Scene, recording on phone, a visual, simple recording via voiceover. It starts simply, a few questions, a few recordings. Scene, processing. Visual, subtle animation, data forming, voiceover. We went on that quest, blending AI neuroscience knowledge, extraction, decades of legal and IP structuring. Scene, avatar speaking, visual, realistic avatar speaking naturally, voiceover to create something new, not a memory, not a recording, a digital version of you. Pause, ground truth. It's not real, but it is AI, and maybe money that's closer than we ever thought possible. Scene, family watching, visual, quiet, emotional moment, voiceover. So the people you love don't have to wonder what you would say. Final, we've spent decades preserving wealth. Now we can preserve the person behind it. End clone. Your brain, TM, CTA, start your clone. Key lines for subtitles and emphasis. What if you could clone your brain? We've seen this in movies, years after he's gone, where he not from memory, and interactive version of you before it's too late. It's not real, but it is AI. So they don't have to wonder visual style. Dark, cinematic, slow cuts, real life scenes, not futuristic sci fi, grounded, believable final positioning line from estate planning to preserving the human mind. This is your core message. AI is not just a tool, it's the closest thing we have to preserving human intelligence.